Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, you are going to learn about where you can able to see your models in File Explorer. Okay, let's go ahead. So for this, what you have to do it is, there is a File Explorer here. So just double click on it. So whenever you double click on it, as this is a test VM, you will be, I mean, you won't be able to see the folders, but I'll tell you where you can able to see. Okay, most probably whenever you're working for any company, you will be able to see the file explorer with many like K drive, J drive. So you have different, but as this is the test one, you won't be able to have that. So, but coming to the models, let me pick this PC. So I'll just go with the C drive now because it's in the test. But whenever you are checking for your company purpose, I mean in the company, you can able to see the models in the K drive. So if you open the K drive, you'll be able to see AOS service. Okay, double click on the AOS service on the K drive, and after that you'll be able to see package local directory. So double click on the package local directory. Okay, if you are able to see, these are all the models: accounts payable, accounts mobile, accounts application common, foundation, suite, and these are all the models which is existed in the system. Okay, so this is how where you can able to see the models. And if you like, if you have any custom models that if you wanted to remove, for example, application platform is my custom model, let's just assume, and you can able to delete this like custom model. So just click on delete. Okay, so that it will be getting deleted. Right now I do not have the permissions, so that's the reason cannot be completed. Okay. Okay, and also I do not have any permissions for that to do it. So that's the reason, yeah, I cannot able to do it. But this is how where you can able to see your models, standard or custom models in the File Explorer. I hope it is useful. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Subscribe for more videos. Bye.